Chris Borowski. My company is All Face Construction USA. I've been roofing in South Florida since 2005. We're always 10 minutes from the ocean. We deal with harsh elements. We are the heart of the high velocity hurricane zone. We have the toughest codes probably in the nation. And there's always roofing available, and it is 24/7, 365 days a year here. We own four equipters. Every time we do a big job for an HOA, I always just cost a new one in there now. That's my new business strategy. They're so helpful for our own crews as well as our sub crews. We have them use it for branding. We do like that program, new roof, no mess. Roofing is a messy business. So we like to advertise that, and that's a big part of our sales pitch, and the sales guys talking about how we do it different. I started this business because I initially was selling roofs for another company that didn't pay the commissions that were owed. I saw it happen very quickly. Come to find out, which I didn't know back then either, it wasn't even a Florida licensed company. They were from Texas, chasing a storm, wasn't done the right way. And in the end, when it came down to it, they said, oh, the job didn't cap out right, and they didn't pay the commissions. So I liked the business, I saw the opportunity. I immediately went out and got my own roofing license and started my own business.
How did you get into this building?
Our lease was coming up where we were at. We were busting out of the seams there, so I knew I had to go bigger no matter what. But it was at the beginning of COVID. We couldn't find anything to rent. I started taking the route of buying land and was gonna build, and then the timeline wouldn't have worked out. I wouldn't have had enough time. We have a good growth plan. I can rent it out if need be, or we're gonna expand and grow into it, which is what I'm planning.
Let's go see inside.
This is Wausau Pavers. So this, right, I said you learn more from your failures than your successes. This is one of my big failures. This is a good one because we're the high velocity hurricane zone, so it does have this plate that holds it down and connects them. This is for hot water.
Hot water?
Hot water. So it says 30% federal tax credit. This year it's 26, and for the next year too. So we've taken what used to be a traditional South American roof.
Okay.
There's a metal pan in here that is your underbarrel tile instead, so it's half the weight on the roof.
Okay.
The idea is the sun hits this pan, which is touching the pipe, and the water circulates. It's actually shown to raise it by 60 degrees, the water temperature. So the idea is your traditional ridge vent, an attic's got to get hot air rises, then it escapes. Well, it means the attic got hot. This, the minute the sun comes up, starts the circulation, starts the airflow. Then when it's the hottest part of the day, it's increasing even more. It doesn't let the attic get hot in the first place. It's not in the direct sun, right? See how fast it's spinning?
Yes.
So sun rises, now come here, look at this. Powerful. That's creating ventilation. You give me any type of drawing with a measurement, he can make it. The computer's telling them how to rotate it over there on the screen. There you go.
That was very impressive. That's unbelievable.
I love Deerfield Beach, Florida, where we're at, probably because of our weather. I'm originally from Canada, but it is also in the roofing business somewhere that I can do this business year round. The summer's here now. It usually only rains twice now in the summer. First time's usually for about 20 days. The second time's about 30 days. And it just seems like it rains all day every summer. And most of the guys, that's when they're shut down, and they're looking forward to the summer. So I'm probably the opposite. I look to go north in the summer, get away from the heat and the rain. Here's a side view how the roof uses the dead space to hide the solar. As soon as you get on the angle, solar disappears and it looks like it's your traditional barrel tile roof. The water. This is a battery backup system. Right, this is the inverter, so it takes the direct current from the panels, inverts it into AC current,
And sends it.
to the batteries, and sends the excess back to the grid. But it won't create an islanding effect, meaning that if the grid goes down, it's smart, it senses it. It just only sends power to the house. We cut out all of the original flashing and all of the stucco flashing, and then we re-stucco on all of our jobs. That's our standard practice and procedure. So in doing these projects, when we present it to the customer, I tell them, look, before you complain about it, because everybody complains every time, the stairs are going to get very, very dirty. The roof was an old tar roof coming off. We're going up and down the stairwell. It's got to get dirty. We automatically put it in our contract when we're done to paint the stairs. I like it. I enjoy it. I'm passionate about it. I like making a difference. I feel we take the customer down a journey that most contractors aren't. We're selling $30,000, $40,000 projects. We should look professional, and we do. And it struck with me. It sat with me when we should be more professional in our industry, and I want to be a part of that and help raise that bar.